Good noon to everyone. This is Dr. D. Katika, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications, Dr. Snsinstitutions, College of Arts and Science. Here we are going to explain about to you regarding your advance payment of tax in continuation with your corporate tax too. What we have discussed previous videos regarding your double taxation and double taxation avoidance agreement. Hope everyone is clear about it. So now let us discuss about your advance payment of tax. So what is advance payment of tax is? It is a system that requires taxpayers to pay a portion of their expected tax liability before the end of their tax year. So what is the purpose behind this is this system helps to ensure that the tax revenues are collected throughout the year rather than in a lump sum at the end. So it will reduce the burdens for the particular taxpayers. So when it is collected in a lump sum, you can understand it is not possible for us to have the burden. So to reduce that particular burden, we have the advance payment of tax. Who needs to pay us? The individuals and the business whose tax liability exceeds a certain threshold in the previous year. And again, self-employed individuals or those with income not subject to the withholding. And then calculation of advance tax typically based on the essential income for the current year. The tax liability is calculated based on accepted income, deductions and applicable tax rates. And many jurisdictions have this specific methods to compute this, including the taking into account the prior year liabilities also. So when we calculate the advance tax carefully, we can reduce the burden of your taxes at the end of the year. And then payment schedule is usually the payment schedule made in installments throughout the tax year, and the frequency and the due dates of these payments vary by jurisdictions, that is quarterly or by annually. Then consequence of the tax payment, that is non-payment, failing to make advance tax payment can lead to penalties and interest. Penalties and interest on the unpaid amounts. So the tax authorities may also impose additional assessments if significant underpayment occurs. And to avoid this non-payment, we can go in for your advance payment of your tax. And then adjustments is done, that is the taxpayers can adjust their estimated tax payments if their income changes significantly during the year. It is essential to keep track of the income and deductions to avoid overpaying or underpaying. Then filing of the refunds, if too much advance tax is paid, taxpayers can claim a refund when they file their annual tax returns. So this is a special case where we can even get the refunds. And then special considerations, the different rules may apply for different types of income, that is your capital gains or your dividends. So the taxpayers may have specific exemptions or reductions based on their circumstances. Documentation, keeping detailed records of income and expenses is crucial for accurately calculating and reporting the advance payment of your taxes. Then local variations, that is rules regarding advance payments can vary significantly by country, state or region. So it is essential for us to check the local tax regulations also. So in summary, we can understand that this advance payment of tax is essential for the individual as well as particularly for the persons who are doing the business when they are going to pay in the lump sum. So changes in the legislation say the tax laws are subject to change, impacting corporate tax rates, deductions and credits. So keeping abreast of these changes is vital for the compliance and the strategic planning. Then implications of the corporate tax rules. High corporate tax rules can influence business decisions, that is including investment strategies and mergers and acquisitions particularly. So at these times we need a crucial decision making, that is investment strategies decisions as well as your mergers and acquisitions. So decisions on capital investment based on after tax returns as well as tax considerations can affect the valuation and structuring of the deals during the mergers and acquisitions. So in conclusion, we can will be helpful for us, both for the corporation as well as for the individuals, to keep in the less burden, and to run the business smoothly and effectively, and to take the decisions properly, we can understand that this particular advance payment of tax is essential for us. Thank you.